Hey y'all, how y'all doing? Yeah, this is Kevin from St. Louis. Yeah, y'all ever heard of American pickers picking the back roads of America? Have you ever heard Matt Part-Time Picker on YouTube? Have you ever heard of Shed Flips? Yeah. Have you ever heard of the Cincinnati Picker? Yeah, but this Kevin from St. Louis, and we pick in the hood too. Yeah. Hey y'all, how y'all doing? This is What Sold video. I've been selling stuff like crazy. It's hard with two jobs. I got a handyman business and then I drive. It's hard with two jobs to keep up with this stuff too. I just sold 15 items today. No, 12. I'm sorry, because I had to cancel three orders because sometime when you use other people's descriptions, you got to look at it. But I was trying to put everything on eBay, right? And I didn't. Damn, my hair messed up right here. Anyway, I didn't look at the descriptions like I should have, and so I had to refund some people their money, because the description was wrong on some baseball cards that I sold. One of them had already sent out already, so actually it was 4. People been buying those like crazy. I sold all 4 of them for $28, and people been sending them back. But anyway, yeah, I want to go through what I sold, and I'm gonna show you what I'm doing to my little hood room. I gotta make me a little place where I can pack all my stuff. Where I can it's like a little mailing space. But I'm gonna have my printer and everything over there. But anyway, we're gonna go through this stuff right quick. Okay, first thing I sold. First thing on the list. I paid $4 for this. It's a remote control, radio control submarine. See this? It's missing one side though, but I don't care. People bought it. It's a radio control submarine. It's brand new in the box. That sold for $35. I paid $4 for that. The next thing up, I couldn't believe I found these, but you know what these are? These for a computer. These SSD cards, for your RAM, 4 gigabyte kick. These DDRs though. Anyway, I sold these. I paid $2 for this. $2. I sold these for $24. $24. Next thing up is where that game at? Yeah, I sold this game right here, Ballers. This one of the games, I told you I sell video games, but I put these on there used individually, and this one sold for $12. $12.30. I'm starting to sell all my games that I used to play, my PS2 games. But anyway, this sold for $12.30. Let me go down a little bit. I sold a tennis racket for $15. I did have it on there for $25. Somebody offered me $15, and I took it. I don't have that out right now, but it's over there. I got to dig through all the rest of these tennis rackets to get it. I got about 400 tennis rackets. Anyway, somebody gave me an offer for $15. I took it. $15, $7 shipping. Okay, next thing I sold. Y'all remember these in one of my videos. You saw when I bought these from Lowe's. I paid, I think, $1.50 a piece for these or something like that. This one sold for $11.20. Okay. Enforcer. It's a brand new Xbox game. I've been having these for years. This is called the Enforcer. Somebody paid $14 for this. It's brand new, still in the case. Let me see what else. Okay, you guys know I like to sell filters. This is a fish tank filter right here. I paid 50 cents for this. Told you I like buying filters. I paid 50 cents for this. It's sold for $16.50. $16.50. And I don't know if you all remember this in one of my videos when I went to Walmart. See, that paid 75 cents for that. I don't know what these were, but anyway, I bought them. I bought all of them. It was like 8 of them. I bought every last one of them. And it sold for $8.30. I paid 75 cents for it. Okay. This, I guess you all remember this in one of my videos too. They were $2.99 a piece. These are, you know, most people in the hood don't know what these are. But since I was in the military, I know what they are. These are paracord. This is a paracord bracelet. What it does is that if you ever need a rope for any kind of emergency, any kind of rope, you can take this apart. And they say you can climb walls with it. You have to be a little, I'm kind of big, you know, I'm heavy. They ain't gonna be able to climb no walls with this. But a little guy probably could, you know. But it's just an emergency cord, and it's made like a bracelet. So if you ever need a cord, you can just untangle it. It comes loose real easy, and you can use it. Don't be trying to choke nobody and kill nobody, though. But at the time, excuse me, what the hell? Anyway, they wanted, it was like 40 of these. No, it was 52. It's 52 of these. They wanted $2.99 a piece, right? But on Wednesday, on that day, the white tags were 50% off. So I paid $1.50 a piece for these. And I got it for half price. I've been selling them. I haven't been selling them like I thought I would. But every once in a while, I want to say about 2 or 3 times a month, somebody buy one. But that's cool, because I still got them. They ain't going nowhere, and I ain't paying them but $1.50 a piece for them. So that's cool, too. You know what I'm saying? But anyway, that's an emergency rope. That's all that is. It's a paracord. It's made out of parachute cords. That's why it's called paracord. Anyway, what else? Let me go down some more, y'all. Okay. I sold a Jenga. I want to say it's 20 years old. Because I want to say it's vintage. But it's 20 years old. To be vintage, it had to be 25. But that's with a cord, though. It's Jenga. It's black Jenga too. It's black. It's made out of all wood. Anyway, I paid $2 for this. I sold it for $32. $32 damn dollars. Now it's about 2 pounds. It's gonna be like $10 shipping. And I think they paid $7 for shipping. They paid $7. So I don't mind paying $3. I ain't paying number $2 for it. So you know how that is. But let me see what else. The hell is that? Hold on, y'all. Oh, okay. And I sold this. I paid $2 for this at Walmart. Y'all saw that video. I sold this for $15. $15 I sold it for. The lady wanted to buy 2 of them, but I don't know what happened. She just bought 1. But she wanted to buy 2. Another thing that I sold that I made a mistake, and I canceled this guy's order. I meant to cancel. I got some component cards that you plug into an Xbox to make. It's like back in the day, that used to be the HDMI card, the component card, because we didn't have no HDMI. But anyway. It's a Monster. The name of the company is Monster. You guys know Monster make cables and stuff like that. A guy paid $43 for it, and he wanted to cancel. So I canceled the wrong thing. I canceled this controller instead of canceling his what the hell? His cable box. His Monster cables for his Xbox. So this is a controller. I got to find a way to send it to this guy. But I think I'm going to go through PayPal. But anyway, this is a controller right here. I bought this brand new back in the day. I wanted $45 for it. He offered me $35. I took it. Dragon Ball Z, it lights up. This right here is really vintage. It's turning yellow. Look at it. I had this for about 20 years. Probably, hold on, let me see what, I ain't going to say 20 years. But I had it for a long time. Let me see the date on it. I bought it brand new. It was on clearance. I can't see the date on there. But anyway, take it from me. It's old. For a PS2. Anyway, what else? I think that's it, guys. I think that's all I got. But I still gotta get that tennis racket out. And that's all I got. I had like 15 that I sold today. Well, it ended up being 12, but that's okay. But I'm going to turn y'all around, let y'all see this area over here. Remember I had them cases, see over there? That's where I'm putting my mailing area at. I'm going to move those other 2 cases out. And I got this solid core door that I'm going to cut. It's a wood door I'm going to cut and use that for my table over there. And I got 2 of those cabinets. And there's going to be like space in between them. So I can put storage up under there. And so it's going to be nice when I get finished. But I got to do it like when I got time to do it. Because you guys know I'm out there working hard. I'm out there doing stuff that's, that's keeping me from doing stuff around the house. So whatever, y'all. But anyway, I ain't gonna keep y'all all day. Y'all don't inject no chemicals. Y'all don't be trying to shoot up no Lysol or drink bleach. I was a fireman for 25 years, and I could tell you now that stuff will kill you. Putting light up into your skin and stuff. Some stupid fools did that. They listened to everything that dudes say. And they took chemical and tried to drink it. And then everybody calling their doctors to see if they can do it. Come on, man. Y'all listen to anything and believe anything? Don't believe what that dude say. He said you can drink some chemical. You say, you crazy. I ain't drinking no kind of chemicals. Why come you didn't say that? Why you got to drink it? Anyway, whatever, y'all. That's why I say poison on the bottle. Y'all need to quit it. You know what I'm saying? Think for yourselves. Don't let nobody think for you. Think for yourselves. Just because somebody blurt out something don't mean you could do it. Anyway, y'all. See y'all later. Y'all take it easy. Keep wearing a mask. Stay 6 foot away from people. And don't get in crowds of 10. You know what I'm saying? But anyway, hey, this is Kevin from St. Louis. And all I want to do is say, we pick in the hood too. Yeah. Peace.